Hi everyone, my name is Rose. Welcome back to my channel where I will be doing unboxings of two things today. I have Ipsy Glambag Plus, which is a $25 a month subscription, and I've got the regular Ipsy Glambag, which is a $10 subscription per month. And this is for June 2019. So let's go ahead and get into our bags. The first one I'm going to be doing is the Glambag regular, which again $10 a month. And looks like I got a couple neat things in here. Every bag comes with a description of what's going to be in your bag. So here's all the different products. And it looks like this month they are teaming up with Tetris. It says here, we're kicking off Summer Bright. Think rainbow hued glam bags stacked with vibrant shadows, shimmering gloss, megawatt highlighters, and more. So let's get into our bag. The bag looks like a orangey red with a little Tetris symbol right over here on the side and the cute little Tetris piece. And each bag usually comes with 5 travel size products. Sometimes you get full size products, but looks like this month I got mainly travel size. And it came with 5 products. So let's get into it. The first product I'm going to be pulling out looks like it is a detangling, hydrating, and taming frizz spray from Numa. That's what it looks like. And what you do is spray it on clean, damp hair evenly before styling, or you can even do it on dry hair before styling or using hot tools. Again, it's a little travel size. Looks like it's 1 ounce. And again, it's from Numa. So that's the first product. Second product I'm pulling out. Let's see. Oh, okay. It is from Tarte. It's Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Full Coverage Foundation with SPF 15, and it's in medium sand. So it's 100% cruelty-free and made with highly effective natural ingredients. It's full coverage, matte finish foundation, covers blemishes, even skin tone, and it illuminates the complexion while protecting it against UVA and UVB rays. That should be easy to use. And it's, again, medium sand. Let's try and see if it's going to match me. A little protective seal on it. Let's see. It's a little light, but I think I could blend it out. That's what it looks like. But I think it could work. I could work with that. Again, that's from Tarte. It's an Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Foundation. Okay, next it's from Bella Priere Cosmetics, a banana setting powder. That's what it looks like. And this is semi-transparent powder, camouflages redness and dark circles and works on all skin tones from fair to deep. I could use it alone as a low-key highlighter or over makeup to set and color correct. Let's see what kind of, there's a little protective seal on it. It looks like it'll work. So basically use it with a little sponge or brush and just lightly tap it on your face and blend it in. That should be nice. And that is, again, a banana setting powder from Bella Priere. Ooh, next is a Tetris by Ipsy Lip Balm in M4D Skills. Here's what the box looks like. Let's open it up. Cute little packaging. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. And I'm not really sure what's on the tip there. But let's go ahead and... Oh, okay. It's kind of... comes off like a little light pink color. Kind of shiny. It's nice. Doesn't taste or smell bad either. There's no taste, of course, but that's that. Again, that's a lip balm. Okay. Next, I have Too Faced mask. It's from Look at Me Sweet Honey Bear and Aqua Moisture Raccoon Sheet Mask Set. It's supposed to help my skin and to retain moisture. That's the Aqua Moisture Raccoon Mask. And the Sweet Honey Bear Mask uses honey and propolis to soften and plump. Both come from K Beauty brand, which I love K Beauty. Dedicated to products that help people feel comfortable in their own skin. Again, they're masks. There's 2 of them in here, so let's open it up. Let's see. So 2 masks. One's the raccoon and one's the sweet honey bear. So that's going to be fun to try out. And again, this came from my Ipsy June 2019 Glam Plus bag. All right, next we'll get into the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This does not come with a bag, it just comes in a box. And again, you get 5 to 6 full-size or deluxe products, usually valued around $150 or more. And this is what it looks like. And it says here, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. All right, let's get in here. All right, I got what's going along with the Tetris theme. Again, with the block party. It comes with a little pamphlet of all the products I'll be getting. It's like a little accordion. And the first one we're going to be pulling out is a face palette. Again, Tetris by Ipsy, block party. I'm not sure if this is a face palette or eyeshadow palette. Let's find out. Oh, it looks like an eyeshadow palette. All right, these are the colors. It comes with 6 little shades here. Skyline, T-Spin, Top Out, Back to Back, Line Clear, and High Score. Let's go ahead and swatch some of this out. Here, let's get this off. I didn't put any makeup on today. I only have a little bit of blush and highlight on. I used my Becca, Chloe, Kardashian, Malika thing. Let's try and swatch out the Line Clear. And let's do T-Spin and Top Out. Let's see how these swatch. Yeah, that's not bad. Check it out. So here it is. Again, this pinkish one is Line Clear. Then there's T-Spin here, and the aquamarine color is called Top Out. It looks pretty pigmented. Let's try the High Score, see what that looks like. This is the purple one. Well, that's not bad either. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. There it is. Pretty pigmented. Sure, I can play around with that. And the other 2 are just matte colors, Skyline and Back to Back, which I'll use as a base for my eyeshadow. Again, Block Party by Tetris. So that should be fun. Now, I don't know if these come with values. Oh, and this is valued at $24. So, let's put this back. Next, let's see what I have here next. I'll be pulling out, looks like lipstick. It's from Tristique. And this is Matte Color and Shiny Balm Lip Crayon in Belize, Bordeaux, and Ganache Balm, valued at $25. It looks like it's full size. Let's check this out. Maybe I'll put some on too. I didn't have any lipstick on or any kind of lip balm on. So here's what it comes in. Here's the lip balm part. Let's put some on. Turn on my handy dandy mirror. Let's see. That comes on smooth. I like it. All right, so that is the lip balm. Here's the lipstick or lip crayon. Oh, cool. It's kind of like magnetic. I think we've gotten other Tristique products before from other subscription boxes that I have. Well, let's see how this comes on. Oh, it's okay. It's like a magenta color almost. Okay. I'm not sure if it's really my shade, but I could probably blend it out with another color. Not bad. It's okay. Not really crazy about it, but it's okay. All right, next we will go with it's from Malay, Above and Beyond Mascara. All right, it's valued at $20. Looks like it's full size, and this is for dramatic lashes. It's 10 milliliters or 0.34 fluid ounces. It's in black. Let's see what kind of brush it has. Cute little packaging. I'm not sure if I'm in the bathroom once again because my bedroom's a hot mess and husband's home, kids are home. Or now they're in the garage, I think. Okay, here's it's a little curved. Looks like it's really nice. All right, it's black. I already have some mascara on right now, so I'm not going to be putting any of that on. But I like it. I'll be using this. I've got so much mascara, folks. I have to go through all of them. Again, this is from Malay. All right. Next, we have from 111 Skin, or is it 111 Skin or something? Oh my goodness. It's a vitamin C brightening booster valued at $180. Seriously? Wow. This is a lightweight concentrated formula and is infused with firming red rice extract vitamin C to help diminish dark spots, which I have a few dark spots, and brighten your skin, and it has antioxidants to hydrate and help prevent future pigmentation and age spots. This girl's getting old. I mean, I don't look it, but it's getting up there. Let's go see what it looks like here. $180. That's crazy. Well, it's a cute bottle. Has a little droplet thing. Okay. Let me try some. Okay. All right, I could use that. When do I use it though? After washing my face, mix 1 or 2 drops with a moisturizer or apply directly to your skin. Use every night for best results. Again, this is from 111 Skin or 111 Skin. Harley St. London? Not sure what that means. But it is a 0.68 fluid ounces or 20 milligrams. That it is. All right. That should be interesting. $180. This is crazy. Better be some good stuff. And looks like the last product I have here is from Tula. It's a sheet mask. Major Glow Cooling and Brightening Sheet Mask from Tula. Cute little pouch it comes in. How many did it give us? 3. So let's see. Its value is $26 for a set of 3. It's supposed to be superfood, probiotic packed formulas developed to bring out best, most radiant skin. It's a healthy dose of vitamin C to help brighten papaya to exfoliate and nix dullness, and probiotics strain lactococcus ferment. The words they use in some of these things to describe things is crazy. So basically, I smooth each half of the mask over clean skin, let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, remove the mask, and then pat the remaining excess so it absorbs into my skin. Again, there's 3 of them in the pack. That should be fun to use. I love sheet masks. Again, this box valued at $25 you pay every month. Supposedly everything supposed to be valued at least $150 or more. But according to this 3 skin is already a value of $180. Already way above the actual box that you pay for. So if you're interested in doing that, go ahead and check it out. Again, with Ipsy, it's a monthly subscription. I believe now everybody could do it. You can get one or the other or both every month to you. And I know it builds out on the first of every month, and you usually get your boxes between like around the second week of the month. I got mine pretty early this year or this month, so I'm excited to use all these products. All right, again, if you're interested in Ipsy, go ahead and check them out, ipsy.com. I don't have any link codes or anything like that, but thank you again for watching, and I'll be doing another subscription box unboxing pretty soon. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to my videos, and I promise I'll be doing more videos. I've just been really busy with things. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye.